To send an ACH payment, start by understanding what ACH stands for, which is Automated Clearinghouse, a network that enables electronic payments between banks. The first step is to gather the necessary information from the recipient, including their name, bank account number, and bank routing number. Next, you will need to determine the type of ACH payment you want to send, which can be either a direct deposit or a direct payment. Direct deposits are used for payments such as payroll and tax refunds, while direct payments are used for transactions like bill payments and online purchases. To initiate the ACH payment, you can use online banking, mobile banking, or accounting software that supports ACH payments. Log into your account and navigate to the payment or transfer section. Then select the option to send an ACH payment. Enter the recipient's information, including their name, bank account number, and bank routing number, and specify the payment amount and date. It is essential to verify the recipient's information to ensure the payment is sent correctly. You should also check the payment processing time, which typically takes 1 to 3 business days, depending on the bank and the type of payment. Best practices for sending ACH payments include using secure and reputable payment systems, keeping accurate records of payments, and monitoring account activity to prevent errors or fraud. Additionally, be aware of the fees associated with ACH payments, which can vary depending on the bank and the payment amount. By following these steps and best practices, you can efficiently and securely send ACH payments, making it a convenient and reliable way to transfer funds electronically.